In this video, we will study about the northern plains of India, which is included in Chapter 3, Social Science textbook under the section of Geography, Class 9. So let's begin. First of all, you have to know about what is a plain. I think you all know that a plain is a flat area that is formed by a river. So in case of India, the plains are situated in the northern part of the country. That's why it is known as northern plain of India. You can see in the picture the green color which shows the northern plain of India that lies in between the Himalayan mountain range in the north and in the Deccan Plateau in the south, and it is the second most physiographic division of India, and it runs parallelly to the Himalayan mountain range. So the length of the plain is 2400 km from Assam in the east to the Indo-Pakistan boundary in Rajasthan in the west, and the total area the plain covers is 7 lakh square kilometer, and it is also known as Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra plain. But the width of the Indo-Ganga plain is ranging from 240 to 320 km, but the width of the Brahmaputra plain is 80 km. That means that the Brahmaputra plain is narrower than the Indo-Ganga plain, as you can see in the picture. Now the question arises that why the plain is known as Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra plain. This is because a plain is formed by the sediments or materials that a river carries during its course, and these sediments make the plain fertile and good for agriculture. So we have come to know that a plain is formed by the deposition of river sediments. So in the case of India, there are three major rivers which have formed the Great Plains of India or the Northern Plains of India. And these three rivers are the Indus River, the Ganga River and the Brahmaputra River. And these three rivers, with the help of its tributaries, have formed this plain. And that is why it is known as Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra plain. Now let's come to the topic, the division of the Northern Plain. The northern plain can be divided into 5 major plains. The western plain in the West Rajasthan, the Indus plain which includes Punjab and Haryana plain, the Ganga plain that lies in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal, the North Bengal plain in the northern part of West Bengal, and the Brahmaputra plain in Assam. So now let's come to the first plain, which is known as the Indus plain. So this is the location of the Indus plain, which also known as Punjab Haryana plain, and this is formed by the tributaries of the Indus, mainly the Sutlej river, Beas river and the Ravi river. It is a fertile plain and it covers an area of 1.75 lakh square kilometer, and we all know that the Punjab and Haryana state of India are agricultural based states, and these two states are famous for wheat cultivation or wheat production. Now let's come to the Ganga plain. It is the map of the Ganga river and its tributaries. It covers an area of 3,57,000 square kilometer, and the major tributaries which have formed the Ganga plain are Ghagra, Jamuna, Alakananda, Koshi, Shan, etc. and many more others. It is a fertile plain and it is highly populated, and this plain is very good for agriculture. So we all know that the state of Uttar Pradesh has the maximum population in India, which lies in this plain. So this is a picture of the Ganga plain. Now let's come to the North Bengal plain. It is a part of the Ganga plain and it includes some districts of West Bengal which located in the northern part of the state. Now let's come to the Brahmaputra plain. We all know that the Brahmaputra river is the largest river of Northeast India. The Brahmaputra plain lies in the state of Assam. There are many tributaries which have formed the Brahmaputra plain. Among them, some important are Dikho, Disang, Jayabharali, Kopili, Buridihing, etc. This is a fertile plain and it is highly populated, and this plain is very suitable for agriculture, and this plain is a flood prone plain. Flood occurs in every year in this plain, and this plain is 700 km long. This is a picture of agricultural land in Goalpara district of Assam. Now let's come to the last plain, that is the western plain, which is also known as Rajasthan plain. It is a dry plain mostly covered by sand, or we can say that it is a desertic plain, and vegetation is very less in this plain and agriculture is not suitable in this plain. It is all about the Great Plains of India or the Northern Plains of India. I hope you all like the video. Thank you.